Hello there traders, and welcome to another update on the market. For today I decided to cover USD versus Japanese yen. I will speak about gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the USD versus Japanese yen first. So this is actually a very interesting situation on the USD versus Japanese yen because we have strong upside cycle. We can see also in the weekly since the I will say the mid-March, basically, we have a strong upside run. And this market is still in a strong upside cycle without any bigger signs of reversal of on higher time frames. Actually, we have potential for continuation upside movement because we can see here like 6 to 7 days. We have a triangle last 2 days, so basically last 2 trading days we had a very narrow days. So this actually market can be on a nice breakout. Today, I will say if we can clear this 143.60, 67 or 143.70 mark, we can open the door for the retest the 145 mark. And then of course, eventually to go to visit 1998 highs around 146.80, 147 mark. So plenty of potential for on this currency pair for the further upside movement to continue. So watch for the buying opportunities on the potential breakout. If we speak about gold market, we can see basically on the 4 hour there's a nice bear flag. Just market we got a rally just to revisit the 1680 mark. So we revisited this key pivot level, and now this level became resistance. And this is a pretty nice bear flag for potential retest. Just show you on the 4 hour time frame. And then I will also place a level here, which is the next 1568. We just go to the 4 hour time frame. So we basically got a sell-off, a strong downside momentum, market rallied basically to retest this 1678, and now basically we got some tight range, few bars here in the breakdown. So I expect the retest of 1654, 45. And then eventually for the bigger drop, towards the 1568. So watch for selling opportunities. Nice bear flag on a 4 hour time frame and potential for the continuation for the downside movement. If we speak about the crude oil market, the situation is still not that clear. We have this today market is just near the previous day low, Friday's low at 84.30. We see the 8 hour building some kind of balancing range environment. So let's see if we clear basically 84.30. We have some strong downside movement. We can open the door for potential test of this low around 81.35. But for now, basically just ranging environment so far. And I would like to see for the price to clear first this Friday's low, and then eventually open the door for lower prices. Speaking of the Bitcoin, we have a strong supply. There is no surprise about that. This is in a strong downside cycle. We had a rally, and then after the CPI, 7-8 days ago, we had a strong downside move, and we have a few days of ranging market, and we got a downside breakout of this multi-day balance. We can also see that we are clearing some lows, but there is a still low at 16,630 mark. And if we even clear that, we can open the door for some bigger drop, even towards 14,000 mark or even towards 10,000 mark. So market is still in a strong downside run. It's the lowest point for the day. We can see on some light frames, like we also have more continuational patterns, just a very, very nice tight flags on a 2-minute or 5-minute time frame in the downside continuation. So very strong downside movement so far. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you tomorrow morning.